Hey there folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here to teach you how to make a delicious and refreshing treat, the Fruit Icebox Cake. This recipe is perfect for hot summer days or anytime you're craving something sweet and creamy. It's super easy to whip up, and you're gonna love it. Stick around. Let's kick things off with the ingredients you're gonna need. Start by spreading a very thin layer of vegan vanilla pudding at the bottom of your glass dish. Next, layer on a uniform row of ladyfinger cookies. Mix those blueberries with some maple syrup in a separate bowl, then sprinkle them over the pudding. Keep alternating layers of pudding, peach slices, and blueberries until you've got 3 layers of cookies. To finish it off, pop the cake in the fridge overnight or at least 14 hours to let all those flavors meld perfectly. And there you have it, a delicious and refreshing blueberry and peach icebox cake. You can top it off with some vegan whipped cream and more blueberries and peach slices. We hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more awesome summer recipes. Have a sweet and vegan day.